Traders build their own cryptocurrency exchange. Sounds interesting, isn't it? FTX offers innovative products including industry-first derivatives, options, volatility products and leverage tokens for traders. Team of FTX makes a huge effort to develop a platform robust enough for professional trading firms and intuitive enough for first-time users. Welcome to the FTX ecosystem. I'm Emma from KK Technologies. Let's discover FTX together. FTX focuses on providing a stable and secure derivatives market for cryptocurrency trading, with innovative products available to buy or sell. The platform is aimed at offering futures, leverage tokens and OTC trading. FTX cares for traders, rather than investors who are interested in futures trading for main cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. FTX also offers useful products not found on other exchanges such as move indices that track the volatility of cryptocurrencies and leverage tokens which are long positions represented by ERC20 tokens. FTX supports over 30 cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the crypto exchange also offers trading for several indices. For example, EXCH comprises several exchange tokens by utilizing the weighted average of BNB, HT, OKB, and LEO prices. The derivatives available on FTX exchange include spot, market-matched order for a certain asset. Trading with margin is typically adopted by advanced traders to increase their potential profits by trading much larger positions. It also enables users to purchase cryptocurrencies and then trade them using traditional techniques using market-matched orders. Perpetual futures, a forward contract that allows the holder to buy or sell at a pre-agreed price. Options. You have the right to sell an underlying asset at a predefined date and price, but it is not mandatory. It's a futures contract that allows the holder to potentially sell at a strike price in the future, usually to mitigate the risks of volatile assets. Move contracts allow you to trade based on the movement of the price of a specific cryptocurrency by risking only a small amount. The movement can be in either direction. It's a contract that settles using the absolute change in the price of cryptocurrency on a daily, weekly, or even quarterly basis. 101x leverage. FTX offers huge amounts of leverage up to 101x, beating other platforms like Binance, PLUS 500, and Bybit. Traders with maximum conviction in their positions will have no problem reaching for the moon. USDT futures. TH0's future can help many large crypto firms to hedge USDT deltas, given its historical volatility. Quick deposits. Users can make transactions in their trading accounts via United States dollars, euros, British pounds, Australian dollars, and Canadian dollars with quick bank transfers, debit cards or credit cards. Token burn. Holders of the FTT token have access to certain perks, which include a weekly buying and burning of fees, lower trading fees, and collateral for futures trading. FTT is the native token of FTX exchange. It provides users with certain benefits such as paying less FTX trading fees, receiving socialized gains from the insurance fund, buying and burning your fees weekly, using it as collateral for futures trading. It can also be traded on spot/futures of the exchange. Let's have a look at FTX crypto exchange advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. You can buy cryptocurrency using a credit card using Simplex. Low fees. And guarantees liquidity. You don't need Kick to trade on this platform, but it can increase your limits. FTX specializes in derivatives trading. Disadvantages. The leverage tokens are risky. Investing is not a guaranteed way to make money, so make sure you know the risks and can afford to lose the money. Cryptocurrencies are also highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. What are your thoughts about FTX? Would you use or invest in it? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tap the subscribe button